Corium is a blockchain project being developed to help small and medium enterprise to easily adopt comprehensive blockchain solutions to better reach thousands of customers who conduct business through the SME industry. Today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding the Corium, and we are going to inspect each and every aspect of the Corium platform. What is this token all about and how we can basically take advantage from this platform. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, I will show you something very important, and it is entirely appropriate for all the users and especially for the traders who want to buy this token. Right now this token basically got the 4.4 ranking on ICO bench, and on the coin codex the same 4.4 ranking. And here you can see the crypto okay, the I think the crypto tem, okay, it got about 8.3 ranking, ICO biz 8.3, found ICO 8.2, and on ICO marks it got about 8.1 ranking. So that is basically the main theme of the Corium, as I told you. Here you can see the main solutions which you are going to get through the Corium blockchain project. At this time, the Corium project consists of the following 5 entities: a multi-dimensional smart contract, Cowry, a mass-oriented cryptocurrency, here you can see the Cowdex, and highly secure decentralized exchange, Arendboy, a dApp that allows you to send crypto and receives in fiat. That is such a great thing that, for example, if you have money, if you have dollars, if you have euros, if you have rupees, any type of currency, even if it is in your pocket, you can buy the crypto directly from any country with your fiat currency. That is such a great thing. Here you can see the last thing, the Cowry Stability AI, and an artificial intelligence system that can predict the market and help suggest you can say affordable solution, while the buffer system helps stabilize Cowry and protect it from market volatility. These are the main key points of the Corium. I will show you something more here. You can read each and everything. Corium is a blockchain project being developed to help, as I told you, the Cowry coin, which is the official cryptocurrency of the Corium platform. Basically, the Cowry coin is, you can say, the fuel token of the Corium platform. For example, if you want to use any type of main theme, if any type of work on the Corium platform, you must have to take the Cowry token. So as I am telling you, basically the Cowry coin is the main fuel token, is basically it is going to work as a fuel in the whole platform and in the whole ecosystem. Okay, it is basically the main theme regarding this one digital currency, the Cowry coin. Here you can see another thing, the Corium uses a 2-hop network. In the first hop, miners identify blocks and record transactions on the blockchain. The miner, of course, is rewarded with the new coin mined in return. The other top consists of master nodes that are hosted on virtual private servers, VPS. These are special servers that enable instant and private transaction, budgeting, as well as decentralized governance. So that are the main key factors, and also they are going, for example, especially for the miners, that you have the chance to mine this token very easily. Here you can read something more. The Corium blockchain combines in browser mining with mobile mining as a support system. It means that very soon you'll be able to mine this token directly on your personal mobile phone. For the CPU and GPU miners, allowing for Corium's hash rate to be truly decentralized, protected against 51% attacks, and providing better profitability for web and mobile miners. So it is such a great thing that very soon you'll be able to mine this token directly on your personal mobile phone. Right now I'm going to show you something very important. Here you can read each and everything regarding the multi-currency payment system, the smart contract the interaction, and also multi-currency ICO platform. And the special thing is instant send, that the basic timing, here you can see the 0.5 seconds is nothing, 0.5 second per transaction compared to dash 1.3 second. It means that this coin has the minimum time of the sending of the token, the coin, from one wallet to another wallet. That is such a great thing regarding the Cowrium. Here you can read each and everything, and especially if you want to ask anything regarding the team and regarding the project, you must have to contact the team, because the team is here. And also you can see the token sale at right now they are in basically the phase 4. So basically definitely the phase 4 is going to end very soon, so it is your time to buy this token, to buy this coin directly. Here you can see the 1 CWR is equal to 0.075, and here you can buy this coin directly in BTC, Ethereum, LTC, USD, and even in next 12 currencies you can easily buy this coin directly. I will show you something very important on the ICO marks at this time. Here you can read each and everything regarding the all the social media, and also you can see the utility of the CWR and also the total supply of the CWR. And the main thing here I am going to tell you here, basically on the 23rd of April, today is the 23rd of April, so you have the chance to buy this coin at low price. 1 CWR is equal to only and only 0.0425 at this time, because we are on the phase 4 at this time. So very soon the price will raise from 0.0425 to 0.045 in phase 5. So you have time about 5 to 7 days. If you would like to buy this coin, you can directly buy this coin directly on their platform. You just have to click on the purchase token now, then you have to sign up. In my next video I will tell you how you can sign up, how you can deposit your funds and buy this coin CWR directly on their main platform. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.